We are in Doniphan, Missouri. This is December 6th, Friday. We had a huge ice storm yesterday. And on top of the ice storm, we seem to be getting about 6 inches of snow so far. And it does not appear to be letting up. I see somebody's vehicle over there in the ditch. I can't see whose vehicle it is. It might be that Joe's vehicle. There has not been a single vehicle on the road since I've been up. You can see the snow drifts around our trailer. I am supposed to go to work tonight. They're supposed to send someone out to get me. But, but I'm not so sure that's going to happen. No. I'm gonna have to call work and remind my boss that they're supposed to come and get me today. But that I don't think anybody's gonna make it down this road unless it's a snowplow. This is my car. It is completely iced in. I tried to get in the car this morning, but I couldn't do it because I wanted to start it up anyway. So all in all, this has been one heck of a snowstorm. I hope to talk to you later, fans. Saying goodbye and stay safe.